ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing an Instagram followers picks my makeup. I decided to do a poll on my Instagram story to have everyone vote for what makeup I should use. I only did 2 different options for each category that I did. I did primer, concealer, eyeshadow palette, bronzer, blush, highlighter, what eyeshadow look I should do, which mascara I should use, what lashes I should do, and if I should do a bolder, a nude lip. Yeah, so I'm super excited. I was actually kind of nervous to do kind of an Instagram poll with my followers just because I didn't do like a separate Instagram account for my beauty stuff. It's all on the same channel because that's who I am. I don't want to have to deal with 2 different accounts. I'll post real, like, my life stuff and my beauty stuff. So yeah, so I was kind of nervous just because like not a lot of people are like following me because of my beauty channel, but a lot of people did vote, so I was super stoked about that. So thank you guys for voting. I appreciate you so much. And I feel like this intro is getting really long, so let's just get right into the video. So for primer, I asked you guys if I should use the Lorac Mattifying Primer or if I should use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And you guys voted Smashbox at 100%, so I am going to use this bad boy right here, and I washed my hands, so we are all good to go. This is my first time doing a video like this. I want to do like more challenge videos. I just don't have like a lot of products. Like I couldn't do a full face with foundation, and I can do a full face with concealer without having to spend like $50 to do it, and I just like, I don't want to do that. So I only have one kind of foundation, so I wasn't able to do a pull on this. But I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade Classic Ivory. And then the other thing I don't have multiple of is eyebrow powder or an eyebrow product. I only have one, and this is the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows really quick, and I'll be right back. So for the next poll, I asked what concealer I should use, and you guys voted the Kylie concealer over the e.l.f. concealer by 73%. So I have been doing this new thing with my concealer, and I am snatching my face. I learned this from Makeup Shayla and a few other people that I've been watching on YouTube. And I didn't actually watch YouTube videos before I started doing this. I would every once in a while, like if I was like, oh, I would watch product reviews and stuff if I was buying a product. This is really hard to do. And I do my concealer just like so. I put some around my nose and on my lip and chin. And then I take my beauty blender and blend this all in. And I used to hate contouring my nose before, but now that I know kind of how to do it, because I used to like straight on just like put those lines on my nose, and it would just be like 2 long dark lines on my nose, and it didn't look good. And I think a lot of you guys can relate, but go check out Makeup Shayla's newest tutorial on how to snatch and contour your face. And I only had one setting powder, that's why I didn't do a vote on the setting powder, but this is the Sephora Translucent Setting Powder. And I don't bake just because I've never tried it, but I do set it with a translucent powder. And then I use a light contour out of my contouring kit to brighten the under eyes. And then I asked you what eyeshadow palette I should use, the Anastasia Prism palette or the Take Me on Vacation. And you guys voted the Prism palette, which is like my new fave palette. So I ain't mad at you. I am not mad at you. And you guys also voted a smoky eye look as well. So for my transition, I'm going to use this color here called Lore, which is kind of like a beigey purple color. It's really pretty. It's perfect for a transition color. And it is so pigmented. Holy shit. I keep forgetting how pigmented these powders are and like how much kickback there is and how much product ends up on your brush. And because we're doing a smoky eye look, I did decide to do my concealer first because I like to blend it all as one. I like to bring this look all together. So I'm also going to smoke out this Lure on the bottom lash line as well. Going to blend this out and smoke this out since we cake this shit on. This shit is so pigmented. It's like, wow. Now I'm going to take this color right here called Osiris, and I'm going to blend this into the crease. And I'm going to do this very gently. I'm trying to learn my lesson like each time I use these colors because they are so pigmented. Now I'm going to take this lime green color right here called Sphere, and I'm going to press that onto my lid, which I'm like so nervous about. But we out here. Holy cow. That is so bright and gorgeous. Boom. Now I'm going to take this dark blue color called Obsidian, and I'm going to blend this into the outer corner of my eye. This is definitely something way different than what I've ever really done before, but I love the colors. It's popping. I'm going to take this color again, the one that we put into the crease called Osiris, and I'm going to blend this gently down into the corner on the bottom, and we're just going to smoke this out. And then I'm going to take that color Obsidian, the dark color that we just blended in the outer corner, and blend this down on the bottom. Just like so, and I'm going to wipe off all that excess powder and then smoke it out. Now I'm going to take some of this color Lucid, and I'm going to blend this into the corner of my eye with my blending shadow brush. I always like to put a little bit of sparkle, light sparkle in the corner of my eye when doing a smoky eye because I think it really softens the look a little bit. I don't like my smoky eye to be like super harsh. And it just kind of, yeah, it just adds that extra pop in there if you can see the difference in my eyes. Oh my god, you guys, the sun is kind of coming out outside. It's literally been raining for 2 days straight. And it's my days off, and like I've been cooped up in my house. So, about to go outside, oh my god. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of that Lucid up at the top here on the brow bone. For my bronzer, I asked you guys to vote between the Sunkissed bronzer and the Becca Capri Coast bronzer. And you guys picked the Becca Capri Coast, which this is my new bronzer and I love it so much. So You guys got some good taste. So I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour brush, and I'm just going to go in and bronze and contour. And I have so many bronzers, but these are just like my two go-to at the moment. So that's why I asked you guys to vote for these two. And then for blush, I asked you to vote between the Sweet Pink blush in my Sweet Dreams palette or the Cocoa blush in the Cocoa Face collection. And you guys voted this guy right here, and I think at 70%. Yeah, 70%. I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to my cheeks. And then for highlight, I asked you to vote between the Candlelight Glow or my Sephora Illuminizing Drops. And you guys voted the Illuminizing Drops at 62%. And these are also a new product of mine, another new fave. I'm literally obsessed. They're just so pretty and they look so natural, and it just gives you like a seamless, glowing look. Alright, now onto the mascara and lashes. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs mascara. And you guys voted this over the Perversion mascara by Urban Decay. And then for lashes, you guys voted the Wispy lashes over the Mega Volume lashes. It's kind of bummed because I wanted to use the Mega Volume lashes, but it's fine. It's fine, guys. We will use those another day. Oh my god, my hair looks crazy. Okay. And then I had you guys vote for a nude lip versus a bold lip, and you guys chose a bold lip. I can't really do red with this, and I don't have like a super deep purple, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna line my lips with the L'Oreal Color Rich Lasting Plum lip liner. Then I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs lip pencil, and this is in the shade Night Mauves. Ooh, this is really light. And then just to finish this look today, guys, I'm going to spray myself with some primer water, and this is the Smashbox primer water. Alright, you guys, well, here is the finished look for today. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look that I created today with the help of my Instagram followers. I will be doing a lot more videos like this in the future, so if you want to vote, go follow me on Instagram. I'll have that link down below. And if you liked any of these products, those will also be in the description below, so go check those out. And I'll also have my social media on the end card at the end, so you guys can go follow me and get involved in these videos too. So thank you guys so much, and don't forget to push like and hit subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video.